Hey, what is up, everybody? Peter here once again. So anyway, guys, yesterday when I dropped the video, I said that I was gonna try to record an install of a new location that I just picked up for my vending machine company. Anyway, guys, you know, here it is. I made a quick short video. I am gonna plug the my contact. His name is Mark. He's the guy that my connection to get all the machines and all that good stuff put together. Anyway, guys, I hope you enjoyed this short clip, and if you guys want to see more of these videos, let me know, because like I said, this is like I would say an ultra part-time work for me, because I'm primarily a mortgage banker. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoy it, and if you do like what you see, don't forget to click like and subscribe. Here we go. Alright guys, so today is move-in day, doing the install like I told you guys. So back here they're already bringing down the machine. I got one drink machine and one snack machine coming down right here in this place. Anyway, I'll keep you guys posted. Alright, Mark, you gonna tell them who you are or what? Go ahead. This is the man of the hour right here, getting these installs.
Gotta get these things up, running, making some money.
Yeah.
Got Cowboy, got Mark.
Hey, check that out, Cowboy. You
Got Nick Beginner, and you got Mike Butler over there.
You might reach. All right.
501, 123, all carded up, ready to go.
So I'm gonna put Mark's information down below so you can contact him if you want to get started. You ship nationwide, right, Mark?
Nationwide, worldwide.
Worldwide.
Yeah.
All right. Need you guys updated as soon as we get this thing going.
Looks like we're ready to go. Got that white glove service going on.
Yep.
Got the card readers, everything set up, primed up, tested up. I don't have to show up every time, but I do. That's what you call in this industry, we call that product support. You know, I mean, my buddy Pete right here, he's the new guy.
Yep.
Sometimes you just gotta hold their hands, you know, until they got their wings and they're ready to fly.
I gotta take advantage of it as much as I can.
Yeah. Yeah, we're all ready. Man, look, dude, that's money. That's gonna make you some money.
There it is.
Got your guaranteed delivery system, get your card readers, 1s and 5s all tuned up, ready to go, dude. Got LED right there.
Yep. Live display.
Live display, all cherry looking.
Accepts all the cards and everything.
All the
Apple
cards,
Pay, Google Pay, and all that good stuff. Right
I
on.
don't know what Monex is, but I guess it takes that too. But yeah,
Right on.
dude, that's it. It's all in a day's work. It's time to go home and go to sleep.
Alright guys, so remember, if you need any of these vending machine services, Mark right here, he ships nationwide. You said worldwide.
Worldwide.
Yeah, so he can get all these stuff for you. Pro. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to click and subscribe and like this video. And I'm gonna go ahead and link up Mark's channel down below in the description as well. You can hit him up. He does a lot of repairs and stuff. Alright?
Thanks, guys. Have a good one.
Alright, laters.
Hey.
Alright guys, again, it was a short clip. I hope you guys really did enjoy that. If you need to know more about the industry, or if you have any questions, I mean, like I said, I'm fairly new to it. This is this coming April is going to be my first year being in the industry. I only have 7 locations, 7 machines rather. And so if your guys' company needs a vending machine, holla at your boy. You know, I could always put a machine in there. If not, I could get one of my close vending machine buddies to put one in your area if it's too far for me. But yeah, we only offer AAA W services. So anyway, hope everyone's having a great day. Hope all is well. If you guys have any questions, and like I said, if you want to see more of these videos or whatnot, post a message down below. Let me know, and then you know, I might even do a follow-up on this next week to see how it's doing and how much money it's picked up. Anyway guys, I'll talk to you guys soon. Have a great day. Be blessed. Stay safe. I'll see you soon. Peace.